chaos, my old friend. You've come to haunt our world again. Through fire-fed lies and midnight tweeting, you sowed your hate while we lay sleeping. And the fear that bloomed in silence, cold and wide, refused to hide within the sound of shadows. Through empty streets I walked alone, past shattered glass and broken homes. Beneath the buzz of drones that hover, I watched truth fall beneath the cover. And eyes went blind from screens that scream and spin, but still let in the haunting sound of shadows. And in that storm of light and smoke, I saw a mass begin to hope. People rising, hearts igniting, hands held high, the silence fighting. Dreams of justice shouted through the night, a rebel light that burned against the shadows. Stand now, I said, the time is near to cast out hate and speak what's clear. Let our voices flood the silence, let our peace undo the violence. And my cry, once drowned, began to ring like fire, rising higher through the cracks in shadows. No longer bowed before false gods, no longer chained by selfish frauds. We wrote new words upon the skyline, not of fear but truth in lifelines. And the winds declared with bold and fearless breath, defy their death. We break the sound of shadows. So dream, O heart, and rise, O flame. Refuse the silence, speak your name. For every voice that dares to stand will shape the dawn across this land. And the hopes we plant will bloom beneath the night.